Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into the world of virtual assistants and unlocking the full potential of Google Assistant. Whether you are an Android user or have it downloaded on your iOS device, there are some incredible features you might not be aware of. So, let's get started with the best tips to get the most out of Google Assistant. Tip 1. Add multiple languages. First up, did you know that Google Assistant supports multiple languages simultaneously? This means you can seamlessly switch between languages without the need to toggle settings. Let me show you how to set it up on your device. 1. Launch Google Assistant using the power button or voice command. 2. Tap on your account picture to open the Google Assistant settings. 3. Select languages, tap Add a language, and choose your preferred languages. Remember, it's still in beta, but Google says it gets better over time as your assistant learns how to use two languages together. Tip 2. Use your favorite apps. Google Assistant isn't just for basic commands. It now integrates with popular third-party apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and more. Here are some examples of what you can do. Hey Google, open my Twitter notifications. OK Google, add a WhatsApp photo. You can check a list of all supported app shortcuts in the Google Assistant settings under View. All settings shortcuts menu. Tip 3. Read articles aloud. Google Assistant can be your reading companion. When you are on the go or just want to relax, use the read command to have Google Assistant read articles for you. You can control playback and even jump to specific sections. Tip 4. Book a reservation. Need to make dinner plans? Let Google Assistant handle it for you. Simply say, OK Google. Book a table at restaurant name, and follow the prompts to complete your reservation. Tip 5. Use Google Assistant on the lock screen. Access Google Assistant directly from your lock screen for quick and personalized results. Ensure you turn on Assistant responses on the lock screen in the settings. Tip 6. Find your phone. Lost your phone? Use another phone or a Google Assistant compatible smart speaker to say, Hey Google, find my phone. Google Assistant will help you locate your device. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.